Private office, so si Attorney Pelais could do work from home sa yung law practice. So this door actually goes out to the front porch where we were, no? So if you were a client, from the front porch, mo diretso ka sa office. If you were a guest or a house owner, dito ka mo sunod where we went inside. And then, after transact sa whatever legal business, pag uli ni Attorney Rodolfo, he just opens his door and he's already home. So, very well designed ang house. So over here we have an executive working table that was purchased by Attorney Pelais in the 50s at the Philippine International Trade Fair in 1953. So 1953, nagpasok par si Attorney Pelais and then he bought this as a gift. So this was bought in Manila, pero actually, ang craftsmen ani were the prisoners of the Davao Penal Colony. So karon they still do that, di ba? Kana mga Philippine eagle nga made out of wood. Pero sa una, they used to do furniture. Then if you notice the apron, ang unsay carving diha, it's actually, are you familiar with the carving? Yes, it's, so
we are here at the pink room. So let's size.
Nagpa-picture, di ka mama. Wala. Paksawan, di ka nakapawal. Bawal na. Pero nahipos ng uban. And this is all new. Anak, this is all new. Dulaan na ni sa iyahang apo.
Apo.
Oo. Eh, before?
Asa ba itong mga dal-uban?
Murag ilaha siguro, safekeeping siguro.
Yan yung mga gamit.
Only the rich can afford a porcelain doll before. Kaya lisod lagi ihimo og doll nga lifeline. Kaya sa una human hair bang ilang ginagamit po sa pilok o sa buhok o sa doll. Ang old dolls, original human hair.
This is the blue room. Maning room ni Sir Rodolfo. Tomas?
Kang Ali Mark.
Kang Ali anak na ni.
Ilang dua ni Kuan. Ni Maestro.
Kani anak na ni ay apo na ni ano?
Apo na nilang Kuan.
Doc ay ni attorney. So mo na ilang room.